So today we are doing the 1.5 mile run test. This is my subject, Nicole. She's currently filling out the assumption of risk form. Just make sure you read everything and sign it.
Read and signed.
And then next up, there's the next document, the Part Q, which is just asking you some health questions, just seeing if you're physically ready to perform the 1.5 mile test today. All right, did you answer no to all of the questions?
Right. I answered no.
Okay, we're ready to go. So what we're going to do today is the 1.5 mile run test, just to explain how it's going to work. It's kind of how it sounds. You're just going to run 1.5 miles. We're out here today. We actually have a track available. It's a nice day out, so we decided to do the test outside. So it's a 400-meter track. So what you're going to do is you're going to run 6 laps around the track. What this does is it's going to measure your cardiorespiratory fitness levels. What we're going to be able to do is, from your time, plug it into our equation, which is going to give you your estimated VO2 max, which is going to allow us to write a proper exercise prescription for you.
Perfect.
Sound good? If at any time during the test you feel dizzy, nauseous, for some reason you just can't complete it, just let me know and we'll be able to terminate the test, but try your very best to get through all 6 laps, working as hard as you can. Sound good? Before we begin, I'm going to take Nicole through a dynamic warm-up to make sure that she's fully loose and warmed up for the test today to ensure the best possible time. So why don't we start with about 10 yards of high knees. Great job. Now on the way back, let's do just some butt kicks. Next up, just do a little karaoke. On the way back, we'll just do some walking lunges. All right, after the dynamic warm-up, are you feeling loose and ready to go?
Yes, sir.
All right, great. So I chose to do the 1.5 mile test with Nicole. She's a former college athlete. She's in fairly good shape. I figured this would be the best test for her to get as accurate as possible prediction for her VO2 max, which will in turn give us the best possible exercise prescription for her. All right, so we're getting ready to begin the test. Nicole, you have 6 laps around the track. You're finishing right where you start. Make sure during this test that you are giving maximal effort. If maximal effort's not given, it's going to kind of skew our scores and give you a lower predicted VO2 max. All right, Nicole, your 6 laps begin in 3, 2, 1, and go. Doing great. First lap down, time is 1 minute, 40 seconds. Good job, Nicole. Time is 3:40 after the second lap. Nicole is finishing lap number 3. Great job, Nicole. Keep it up. Time is 5:50. Nicole is coming up on the first mile, first 4 laps. Time right at 8 minutes. Good job. All right, Nicole's finishing lap number 5, right at 11 minutes. Good, keep it going. Nicole's finishing her last lap. Great job. Time 12:54. Great work, Nicole. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take your time, we're going to plug it into our equation, and that's going to give us your predicted VO2 max. Great job. All right, so after Nicole finished her test, the last step of our process is to calculate her predicted VO2 max. So I went and plugged it into the ACSM equation. Her time was 12 minutes 54 seconds. So I divided the 54 seconds by 60 to get her proper decimal, which turned out to be 12.9. So what I did was divided 483 divided by 12.9 plus 3.5 for a total predicted VO2 max of 40.9 milliliters per kilogram per minute. So from here we have Nicole's estimated predicted VO2 max at 40.9 milliliters per kilogram per minute. What we can do now to calculate her MET levels, we can just divide that by 3.5, which is going to come out to 11.68 METs. So for example, Nicole, if you were to work out at 75% of your maximum MET level, you'd look to be right around 8.7 METs for that exercise. So what that's going to allow us to do, not only with her predicted relative VO2 max and her predicted MET levels, we can now write an effective, appropriate exercise prescription for her.